Welcome to Intellify. Explain the mechanism of the cleaning action of soaps. Dirt or stains are actually oil particles accumulated or attached to the cloth particles. Soaps are used to remove them. Some key points regarding soaps are as follows. Soaps are essentially sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids. The common soap used for cleaning clothes is actually composed of a salt molecule known as sodium stearate. Now, this salt constitutes a long hydrocarbon chain, a carboxylic group, and a sodium ion. The carboxylic group and the sodium ion have negative and positive charges on them respectively, and thus are polar in nature. Whereas the hydrocarbon chain does not have any charge on it and so is nonpolar in nature. The carboxylic group and the sodium are hydrophilic, that is water-loving, whereas the hydrocarbon chain is hydrophobic, that is water-hating. Now, how does this variation help in the cleansing action of soaps? Below is the mechanism behind this process. The oil particles are non-polar in nature, whereas water molecules are polar in nature. Polar particles attract other polar particles and non-polar particles attract other non-polar particles. This is the general rule. This is the reason for which the carboxylic group and the sodium ion are hydrophilic in nature. They are attracted by the water particles which are also polar in nature. Same goes for the hydrocarbon chain, which being nonpolar is attracted by the oil particles. The long hydrocarbon chains of various molecules of the sodium stearate salt form a sphere-like structure around the oil particle with the sodium ions on the periphery. The hydrocarbon chains and the oil particles are finely attached to each other. This sphere-like structure is known as a micelle. Many micelles are formed throughout the cloth and they get scraped off when agitation takes place. Agitation is the process of beating the cloth to remove the dirt particles. Sodium ions being linked to the water molecules take away the micelle with it. Hence, the entire micelle along with the oil particle is pulled off from the cloth and into the water. When all micelles are removed from the cloth becomes clean and water becomes dirty. The entire process is known as the cleansing or cleaning action of soaps. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos and subscribe to our channel.